What's up, my YouTube family? Tony here. Going to do another bots break of 2009 BenchWarmer Archive. What you're seeing is the best cards that we have pulled so far. We have pulled 3 one-of-ones. This signed autograph Mary Riley, this jean or denim Mary Riley bikini swatch, the Cecile Gar one-of-one from the Schoolgirls, and then another big hit was the Victoria Silvstedt signed bikini swatch, the boy beater Spencer Scott, and the Kiss card autograph of Camille Anderson. So I have been more than satisfied with this case break, and I got 3 more boxes left. So let's go ahead and open up box number 10. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. All right. I'm still hoping that I get like a multi autograph, like a 3 autograph or a 3 swatch type of card. That would be awesome. Let's take the packs out. Thank you for everybody who's been watching these breaks. Okay. Save the fat pack for last. All right, here we go. Pack number 1 of BenchWarmer Archive. Ooh, another Mary Riley. What's up with the Mary Riley mojo? 15 out of 25. Wow, she looks great in that picture. Awesome. I got some people that are going to be jealous. Mike is probably going to be jealous. I'm trying to get this to focus. Wow. And I didn't have this one, so it's nice. Awesome. Awesome, Mary Riley. Another Mary Riley. Wow, that's an awesome card. All right, back to number 2. Mary Riley case. It's our Kiss card, and it's Chrissy Ballantyne. This is from BenchWarmer Gold 2007. Chrissy Ballantyne. So there's the card. Very nice. I figure that this Archive Kiss logo or stamp, I think it's Jennifer Corbin. There's a card of her, so I believe it's Jennifer Corbin. So awesome card number 2. Pack number 3. Another Lisa Gleave. This is very similar to the one that we pulled before. This is from the Hawaii Trade Conference, Florida edition from 2000. I can't make out that number. 2008, 2009, 2009. Lisa Gleave, 2 of 3. Awesome. Very awesome card. I've never seen this card. I've seen a very similar one, different color though, background. Alright, pack number 4 is our Archive card, which is Carrie Stroop. Awesome. Didn't have this one, so pretty cool. Carrie Stroop. Awesome card. And pack number 5. Oh, we got this one again. This is the second time we get Alex Agar. It's a foil card, autograph, 11 out of 50. So you do get a few that are doubles. This got the Canada signs from International 2007 International, which is pretty cool foil. It's got the Canada flag. Awesome. She must be Canadian. And our last pack should be our swatch. Hopefully we get a multi-swatch. That'll be awesome. Still looking for a multi-swatch. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Ooh, nice. This is the Moresca. I think her name is Jenna Moresca. Right? She was in Survivor, was she? Or was she a wrestler? Jenna Maraska. Pretty cool. This is my first card of hers. Nice bikini swatch. Very nice. I like it. 3 out of 5. Very low number. Bikini swatch of Jenna Maraska. I like it. First time I ever pulled her. Nice. So there you have it. That's our bots. Didn't get no 1-1 this time, but we still got an awesome Mary Riley card. It's just a beautiful Mary Riley card. Just an awesome card. Awesome. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.